Enabled the BEDC's guarantee for the first time to be applied against lending from the Bermuda Credit Union. $500,000 has been allocated to the Bermuda Credit Union in pre-approved guarantees. We allocated $100,000 to provide access to external expertise in accounting, legal, and marketing services to assist in transitioning these businesses into the new normal. We increased our microloan offering up to a maximum of $30,000 per business with no security required. These have been direct loans from the BEDC without any bank involvement and have enabled businesses to obtain working capital and limited capital purposes with a focus on immediate overhead needs such as payroll, rent, utilities, insurance, and other fees. And we also decreased our interest rate for economic empowerment zone and non-economic empowerment zone businesses. Under this government, the BEDC instituted compassionate changes to our vendor payment terms so that all will be paid on a weekly basis, ensuring that they were not forced to wait for payments that could literally mean the difference between the life or death of their businesses. The BEDC acted as an intermediary, connecting consumers, buyers with sellers for businesses with underused inventory. We facilitated businesses in forming partnerships, merging and sharing overhead with other businesses to reduce operating costs both during and through all phases. We gave microloan clients the option to structure or restructure their loans for 3 to 6 months, interest-only repayments periods based on need. We gave microloan clients the option to extend their loan repayment terms to up to 42 months, reducing their monthly payment amounts once in the principal and interest phase of their loans. We reduced application fees and loan guarantee fees by 50%, eliminated the fee for credit checks. We gave entrepreneurs that operate seasonal businesses, such as tourism-based businesses, the option to have recurring interest-only periods for the life of their microloans. We gave businesses with new microloans the options to delay the first repayment period by 3 months. Furthermore, we increased the maximum credit line it will guarantee for its letter of credit product for retailers from $10,000 to $12,500 for 1 year as a tool to assist the cash flow and allow approved retailers to import goods while being able to defer payment on the duty of these importations. Repayment has been increased from 3 months up to 4 months from each importation date, allowing the retailer to sell their products before paying the duty. This compassionate and decisive action has had a real and positive impact on these businesses. As of August 24th, 86 companies have received $1,900,000 in funding. Of that amount provided to date, $747,000 comprises grant funding, which businesses do not have to repay. 86 small and medium-sized businesses that might not have survived COVID-19. 86 small and medium-sized businesses that will continue to employ staff, continue to operate, and continue to provide services and products to our community. It took strong leadership to get us through COVID-19. It took compassionate leadership to ensure that our Bermudian people were able to provide for their families and for our entrepreneurs to have the support they need to keep their doors open, keep their workers employed, and make it through these uncertain and challenging times. Going forward, Bermuda will require strong leadership that not only displays compassion for our people, but also the willingness to take action that will meet the needs of our people. Thank you.
Good morning. Bermudian-owned small businesses are the backbone of our economy. They provide countless opportunities for the owners themselves, as well as the Bermudians they employ. I am a patron of Bermudian-owned small businesses, and I do my best to make sure I take my business to these companies whenever I can, especially in these hard times post-COVID. In his statement, MP Simmons did a fantastic job outlining all the numbers, but behind these numbers are stories and people. When we say that we offer $12 million in grants and loans, which is a massive increase from before, that means hundreds of Bermudian-owned businesses getting affordable capital to invest in businesses and create jobs. We're a small community, so I don't want to call out names, but I can tell you we're working with beauty practitioners, skilled tradespeople, accountants, shopkeepers, online businesses, artists, entertainers, and so much more. We help businesses get through the red tape. And that's why I want to make this appeal to Bermudians who are frustrated by the system or have a problem with the process and can't get their idea off the ground. Come to the BEDC. We have the people whose sole job it is to help get your business off the ground with legal, marketing, compliance, accounting, and more support. Our job is to see you succeed. The PLP has kept its promise to give more resources to the BEDC, to eliminate taxes for new businesses, to promote cooperative enterprises, and to reduce red tape for entrepreneurs. The BEDC is going to play a large role in the COVID economic recovery, and I encourage Bermudians who have an idea for business to work with us and together with us. We will make your dreams come true. Now, I wanted to close by addressing a video I saw on the internet. I believe in the mantra or the saying that the former First Lady of the United States, Michelle Obama, said, "When they go low, we go high." For Ben Smith to sit idly by and allow his colleague to question the Premier's loyalty to Bermuda and falsely claim that he was not a born Bermudian was very disappointing. That type of politics is not welcome in Bermuda, and I am disappointed that MP Smith did not disassociate himself from those false comments. However, in watching the entire video, one realizes that he himself actually verbalized that Premier Burt was from Jamaica as well. Both MPs were wholly mistaken. Leadership matters, and I can tell you that I love Bermuda and Bermudians with all my heart, as does the Premier, who, in fact, was born right here in Bermuda. I can confirm that. Let me be clear. Even if the Premier was born elsewhere, it would be okay. But the bigger point in all of this is that the OBA is willing to misrepresent and speak falsehoods about our leader and are yet to apologize. It's very, very disappointing. Today, I thank you for your time.
Any questions?
How much additional funding is the BEDC going to get next year to help with people trying to start businesses or suffering because of COVID?
Well, that would be speaking to the budget of next year, which I will have to negotiate with the finance minister and try and extract it. But I think that what's important for us is the recognition that entrepreneurship is important in this country, that there have been areas, whether it was access to capital, whether it was red tape, whether it was the support needed to be able to get a business off the ground. Our goal is to attack those impediments and remove them. And the thing is, when we remove these impediments, it doesn't guarantee your success, but it gives you the opportunity to succeed. And I think that's something that has been hampered for many years and has taken too long to address.
Good afternoon, Minister. Is there a particular sector within the business community that you're hoping to reach out to, whether that be entertainers or skilled workers or anything? And if so, why that particular sector?
So the focus is on small and medium-sized businesses, and that covers the gamut. But I think what's important now is that we are shifting from the brick and mortar model of businesses and looking ahead to create new business models, new opportunities for people to make a living in this country. And I think that's where the pool is broad, but now is the time, if you're looking to do home-based businesses, if you're looking to do online businesses, now is the time, because people are requiring new services, they're requiring new products, and they're requiring better service. And I think the opportunity is great there, and the support is there for them. Okay, thank you very much.